friends. Last week we talked about how we need to get our minds ready to read a story, right? And we learned a whole bunch of different strategies. We learned to look at the cover and the title to think about what we might see in the story. We learned how to take a picture walk. We learned how to tell the story on our own. And then at the end of last week, we learned how to look at the pages of a story and think about what words we might see in it. So let's take a look here at the Three Billy Goats graph, right? This is a new story that we haven't worked with yet, but we have read it. So what kind of words might you think that we would see in this story just by looking at the front cover and the title? I might see the word goat. I might see the word grass. I might see the word flowers. I might see all those words based on the picture that I see on the front cover, right? Remember how we did that last week with wash day? Let's take a look here at another page in the Three Billy Goats graph. This is the first page. Let's take a look at the pictures and think about what we might see in this story or in this page of the story. We might see the word goat again. We might see the word bridge. Maybe the word grass, and maybe the word troll, because we see the troll right here, right? Today I'm going to teach you how you can use the first letter sound of a word to label the pictures. So here I have 3 words, and these 3 words go with the picture that we see here on this page. So let's take a look at the first letter sound of these words and see if we can figure out which picture these words go to. So let's take a look here. Let's take a look here. This one starts with the letter T. And what sound does T make? T, t, t. Good job. Do you see anything in our picture that makes a t, t sound? Troll, right? Troll starts with a T. So we can move the word troll next to the picture of our troll. Let's take a look at this word. It starts with what letter? G. And G says what sound? G, 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 right? What in our picture up here says the G, G sound? The goat. G, G, goat starts with the G sound, right? With the letter G. So we can move this word next to our goat. Let's take a look at this word. This word starts with the letter B. And what sound does B make? B, B, B. Is there anything in this picture that starts with the B, B sound? Bridge, yes. So we know that this is the word bridge. So when you're looking through your story at your pictures and you're thinking about what words you might see, if you look at the first letter and think of the first letter sound, it will help you figure out the words. Let's take a look at what we're going to do on Seesaw today. So, last week we talked about what words we might see in the book Wash Day. So here I have the pages of Wash Day, and I have the words listed at the bottom. So I want you to take a look at the first letter and the first letter sound and see if you can find where that word goes, what picture it goes to label. So let's take a look right here at this word. It starts with the letter C, and C says what sound? K, k. Good job. What in this picture starts with a k, k sound? The cat, yes. So this word must be cat. So I can move the word cat next to the picture of my cat. Let's take a look at this word. It starts with the letter M. What sound does M make? Mm. Do we see anything in this picture that says mm? Mud. Yes, mud starts with the sound. So we can move this word on top of the mud. So you're going to use the beginning sound to label all of the pictures.